3-layer chocolate custard cake, and I use a 15 cm baking pan. For this cake we don't need egg and we don't need oven also. For the first layer we need a biscuit and melted butter. First, crush the biscuit. You can use food processor for this. You pour the biscuit into the bowl. And you add melted butter. And you mix this until well combined. Put the biscuit mixture into the baking pan and then you press the biscuit using the back of the spoon. And then you set aside and we make the second layer now. For the second layer we need milk, sugar and custard powder. Cook this with medium heat until thickened. You see, already thick. Now put the second layer here. Let it cool first and we make the third layer. For the third layer, we need milk, heavy cream, cornstarch, cocoa powder, and sugar. And we cook also with medium heat until thickened. see, already thick. Put the heavy cream mixture into the baking pan for the third layer, and then you let it cool and keep in the fridge minimum 2 hours. But I will let in the fridge overnight for this cake. You see this? After overnight in the fridge, really looks beautiful. I will spread white chocolate on the top. Tada! The cake is ready for eating. You see this, really beautiful, and I bet the taste also good. I can't wait to taste this. Now I will cut the cake and try this. You see this inside also really beautiful and really soft. Wow, it's great. Oh my god, tastes really heaven, eh? It's really great. You will like this. Your children also will like. I love this very much. I want to say Happy Chinese New Year also to all of you who celebrate this. God bless you. See you for the next recipe.